to be 20 degrees tomorrow, so I thought it'd be nice to make some banana strawberry fruitsicles. It's a super easy recipe, it's also very quick, and it's really delicious, so let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 1 bowl of frozen strawberries, 1 bowl of frozen ripe bananas. Now the reason I chose frozen ripe bananas is because the ripe bananas, they're a lot sweeter than not ripe bananas. So if you're choosing bananas that aren't too ripe, you might have to add a sweetener like sugar or honey. And the last thing we're going to be adding in is 1 cup and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Okay, and we're ready to blend. Alright, that looks about done. What we're going to be doing next is just using these popsicle molds to freeze the ice cream. Okay, so I've got my popsicle molds filled about halfway. The next thing I'm going to be adding in is a little bit of chocolate that I've melted and cooled. And then lastly, we're just gonna top it up with a little more of our fruit mixture. Okay, now that we're done, we're just gonna seal them. Alright, so we're going to freeze these for about an hour and then enjoy. So it's the next day and I'm ready to have my ice cream. Let's see if it's set.